Hey guys, welcome to Voice Bootcamp. This is Faisal Khan, Cisco Collaboration Instructor at VoiceBootcamp.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Java class to use with our standard action element. Now, the standard action element basically takes two parameters, either a Java class or an XML API. A Java class can be created to provide certain functions or processing within that element, and then returns the value and then move to the next step. Now, this element itself, as we have discussed about that in the previous chapter, this is just a lab, shows you how to configure, how to write your own Java code, and then get started with that. All right, so what I'm going to do is create a new project. I'm going to call it standard action. Let's say action element. Okay, it says already exists, so let's see if we can reuse that one. So I'll go ahead and delete this and start a new here. So what we're going to do, this is our sub dialog. We're going to create a Java project based on exactly the same name. So VBC action element. I'm going to rename that. And I will create a new Java project for this. So go to project, Java, and it's going to be the same name underscore Java. Now you need to specify the GRE that you're going to use. I'm going to use GRE 7.0. And this is the bin folder, source folder, allow output folders for source, and finish. Say yes. So here is my Java file. Now, this project, I'm going to go to properties, and under the Java path builder, you'll see the library, but I'm going to add some external jar file. Now, I'll do that later, but I want to show you why you need to do that. So now under this source, I'm going to create a new class. You can create a folder. For example, I can create a folder. Let's call this folder name general. If you want to organize things a certain way, and then I'm